How to recover deleted messages. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Just in case if you have accidentally deleted text messages from your iPhone, then in order to recover it, there are a few workarounds. So firstly, open the Messages application on your device and then go ahead and tap on the edit button on the top left of your screen. Here, you will then be able to see the recently deleted option. So tap on the show recently deleted option you see there. And if you find the recently deleted folder here, then you can simply tap on the recover all or simply select the options or the messages that you want to recover. And then tap on the recover option you see there in order to recover the messages that you deleted. Just make sure that deleted messages are typically kept in the recently deleted folder for up to 30 days by default or up to 40 days depending on your settings. And just in case if you cannot find it here, then go ahead and open settings on your device as you might need to restore from an iCloud backup. Here, tap on General and then on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then on Erase All content and settings. Erase all your content and settings and then set up your iPhone again and make sure to back your iPhone up before doing this. Additionally, go ahead and choose the Restore from iCloud backup option and then select the backup that contains your messages. It is important to note that this will replace your current data with the data from the selected backup. Or you can also check for iCloud messages. So if you use messages in iCloud, deleted messages are removed from all synced devices. However, if synchronization has not been completed yet, you may still find the messages on other Apple devices. And if you still cannot recover the deleted messages, then if the messages are not in the recently deleted and you do not have a backup from before they were deleted, then it usually cannot be recovered using Apple's built-in tools. So this was about how you can recover deleted messages on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.